We need to assemble. Bucket lift. Done! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. Keep up the good work. We need to protect the house from foul weather. Let's wash. Bucket lift. We have to assemble. Lift crane. We did it! Now we need to fill it. Lift crane. Done! Let's finish the porch. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep up the good work. You're doing. We have to assemble. Garbage truck. Ready. Help the car reach its destination. Drag the part to the right place. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. We did it! Let's remove the construction waste. We need to wash. Garbage truck. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Hooray! It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. Ready. plant the trees in the yard. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Hooray!